Hey dolls, Mirai-chan here. My ne-chan is very busy, so I'll be darling dolls today. So, let's take a look at another new doll. I am looking at the Shibajuku Girls by Hunter Products. This particular doll is named Yoko. She is about 13 inches tall, has a very big head, and comes with 2 dresses, 5 hair accessories, plus a super secret surprise accessory. They are available on Amazon, in Walmart, Target, and a lot of other stores. They normally cost $30 to $50 depending on where you are. Let's get her out of the box so we can have a look at her. OMG! The packing on that, they could have slingshot her to Mars. And she still would have been in the same position in that box. So now that she's out, you can see she has some big beautiful eyes with real eyelashes. The eyelashes are stiff like a hairbrush, but they look nice. She already has makeup and accessories in her hair. She has pretty pink and purple hair that is very long. You can style this hair a lot of different ways. When I comb her hair, there seems to be a white dust coming off of it, like some of the plastic is flaking. The hair looks nice, but it's not the best quality and seems really plasticky. Let's change her dress and have a closer look at her. The dress is nicely made but not very special. She has 11 points of articulation. Her joints move smoothly, but are still stiff enough that she can hold the pose easily. She also has built-in panties, which is very convenient. I wish I had built-in panties. Her socks and shoes are also removable. The ankles don't have any articulation. It would be nicer if they did. I like the second dress a lot. The jacket really looks like leather, and it is on its own little dress form so it doesn't lose its shape. I wish there were extra shoes and socks to go with the second outfit. The package for the secret accessory shows you all the possible ones you can get. I got a little glitter star hair clip. All of the hair accessories can be worn in your hair just like the doll, but they don't stay in that well, so you have to be careful not to lose them. I think that this doll is lots of fun, and I like styling her hair a lot, but the price is a little too high. I do like the looks and the outfits, and I would like to collect more of these dolls, but I think I will wait until they are on sale before I get more. So, what do you think of this doll? Comment below and please subscribe for more doll videos soon. Thank you so much for watching. Mata ne!